Once the tire is dismounted from the rim, the next job is to carefully remove the sensor. Using the 1/4-inch T-bar tool found in your hand toolkit and a 12mm socket, carefully remove the locking nut from the valve stem. Once removed, the sensor will come away from the rim easily. Unscrew the valve stem from the sensor. You may need to use pliers to grip the stem if it's hard to remove. Identify the correct replacement valve. There are a few different valves for these sensors, each of slightly different lengths, and they can be color-coded too. Select the one that matches the valve that you're replacing. Place the bolt through the base of the sensor body. The square shank of the screw should hold it in place. If you find that the screw does not easily fit into the sensor, it is likely that the sensor has been deformed through over-tightening. You may need to use a small file to correct the slot in the sensor. Hand screw the new fully built valve stem onto the bolt thread. With the valve and sensor assembly built, it's now time to attach it back to the rim. Remove the valve cap and locking nut. Pass the valve through the rim hole and hold the sensor in place. Hand tighten the locking nut back to the valve. Now, use your TPMS torque wrench to fasten the locking nut to 4 Nm. Check that the valve core is correctly installed using the preset valve core torque tool. Replace the valve cap and you're done. You are now ready to fit the tire, balance the wheel and fit back to the vehicle in the relevant wheel position.